Good morning students. Today we are going to do our exercise 2.4. First four sums of this exercise we already have done. Now we have to do the rest of sums. That is, we will do the questions from 5 to 10. Okay students. Now firstly read the statement of the fifth sums. A school collected money for the earthquake relief fund. For this, class 3rd A collected 8,427 rupees. Class 3rd B collected 19,815 and class C collected 39,485 rupees. What is the total collection? Students, I already have told you, when you see the word total or all together or sum up, all these three words means that you have to do addition in the given statement. Got it students? So let's do the sum. Firstly, students, please try to make your statement brief and correct. 3rd A collected money rupees 8,427. Now 3rd B collected money 19,815. Now 3rd C collected money rupees 39,485. We have to find the total collection. So write here total collection. Now add all these. We got 67,727. So this much money is total collected by the three sections of 3rd. Now the second statement is, that is the sixth sum is, the difference between the two numbers is 7,978. Find the greater number if the smaller number is 34,057. Students, this statement says that when we subtract the two numbers, that is when we minus the two number, we got 7,978 as our answer, and smaller number is given, which is 34,057. We have to find the greater number. Okay, now write the statement here. Difference is 7,978. Smaller number is also given. Smaller number 34,057, and we have to find the greater number. So students, we have to find the greater number. To get the greater number, we have to add these numbers. Okay, 34,057, 7,978. We got 42,035. You can verify your answer when you subtract 34,057 from 42,035. You will get 7,978. Okay, now moving towards the next statement. Now students, I am going to do the 8th sum. The cost of the refrigerator is 16,479 and cost of Activa scooter is 42,475 more than that of refrigerator. First, find the cost of the scooter. Second, total cost of both the refrigerator and the scooter. Students, we are given that the cost of the refrigerator, that is to buy a refrigerator, a person have to pay 16,479 rupees, and the cost of Activa scooter is 42,475 more than the refrigerator. And if that person want to buy an Activa scooter, he has to pay 40,475 more than the cost of refrigerator. Okay students, and find the cost of the scooter. Firstly, we have to find the cost of scooter now. So start writing whatsoever you have given. Sum number 8. Firstly, we will write the cost of refrigerator. Which is rupees 16,479. Now, extra money, here we will write that the extra money or more money that a person have to pay to buy a scooter. Okay, so you can write briefly like extra money, rupees 42,475. Now firstly, you have to find cost of scooter. Right, cost of scooter. Students, add both these numbers. Okay, then you will find the cost of the Activa scooter. That means a person have to pay 58,954 rupees to buy a scooter. Okay, in the same statement we have to give the answer of the second query, that is the total cost of both refrigerator and scooter. Now we have to find the total cost or the total money that a person have to be paid. Okay, now this was our question number 1. This is our question number 2. Again write the cost of refrigerator, which is rupees 16,479. Cost of scooter, which is rupees 58,954, and we have to add these numbers. Cost of both items, $58,954. Add these numbers. ₹75,433. That person have to pay 75,433 rupees to buy both the things. Now, 9th sum is that using the digit 2, 4, 6, 7 and 0, make the greatest number and the smallest 5-digit number and find their sum. Okay students, firstly you have to make the greatest number using these digits and also the smallest one. Greatest number. Firstly student, start with the largest number. which is 7, then after the 7, which is the greatest, 6, then 4, then 2, and then 0. This will be your greatest number. Now smallest number. Students, when 0 is given in the numbers, then you have to start with the second smallest number, because you cannot take 0 as the first number. You have to place 0 at the second position when you are trying to find the smallest number. Okay, so we will start with 2, then 0, then 4, then 6, then 7. Okay students, in greatest number you have to follow the decreasing trend, and in smallest number you have to follow the increasing trend. But if the 0 is given in that numbers too, you have to place 0 at second place. Okay, now we have to find the sum now. Sum means we have to add these. Sum or total? Now the total is 96,887. Okay students, now the next sum is the same as we have done the sixth sum. So complete your exercise.